looks like the Foxconn plant is going big. You can see if we come over here. They actually had to bring electricity all the way from all new roads. So there's the big grid right there. They had to bring all that electricity from a town south probably about 30-40 miles from Kenosha to Racine. And look at the fortress that they're building around the power plant. It's pretty crazy. And we get more of the Foxconn. It's crazy how this stuff's going up. Hope you guys liked the little video, kind of showing what the Foxconn is going to be like in the United States, here in Racine, Wisconsin. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.